Okay kids, in this video I am going to teach you one of the most common topics that we have seen during this term, which is the concept of roots. So you know that the roots are represented when we have this symbol and we have some numbers inside and in this part, okay? So for example, if you have 16 inside and 2 here, this is called second root of 16 or square root of 16. Remember that with the 2 we can call it a square. And what is this? So it is a number that if you multiply times itself twice, because the number here is 2, if you multiply the same number twice, you have the result of 16. So what number is that one? 4. Because 4 times 4 is 16. So the square root of 16 is 4. Okay, let's do it with another one. Imagine in this case that you have the 5th root of 32. Okay, so remember, this is a number that if you multiply times itself 5 times, okay, you get 32. So 5 times. You 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. What number if you multiply it by itself 5 times do you get 32? It's 2. 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. Okay, because 2 times 2 is 4. 4 times 2 is 8. 8 times 2 is 16, and 16 times 2 is 32. So the result is 2. Another one, okay? Another simple example. What is the cubic root of 8? One of my favorite examples. Remember that if here is the number 3, we can call it cubic. So if this number is 3, it means that the result is a number that if you multiply times itself 3 times, you get 8. And that number is also 2. 2 times 2 times 2. Because 2 times 2 is 4, and 4 times 2 is 8. Okay? 2. Yeah? You see. Okay. So, some final things to remember. Okay, I am going to do it with colors. So this number in the root is called the index. This one is called the radicand. And this one, the result is called the root. Okay, really simple. Okay, so remember, index, radicand, root. By the way, if you don't see something in the index place, okay, for example, you get 64, but there's nothing here, okay? If there's nothing here, that means that there is an invisible 2 always there. When there is no index, you have to assume that is 2 always, okay?